Dear students, in JEE 2024 Phase 1, this question was from the chapter Mechanical Properties of Fluid. Question is, given below are two statements. Statement 1, if a capillary tube is immersed first in cold water and then in hot water, the height of the capillary rise will be smaller in hot water. If a capillary tube is immersed first in cold water and then in hot water, the height of capillary rise will be smaller in cold water. Now, in the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate from the option given below. 1. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 3. Both statements 1 and statement 2 are false. 4. Statement 1 is true, but the statement 2 is false. Now see here, capillary tube is immersed first in cold water and then in hot water. The height of capillary rise will be smaller in hot water. तो ये true है. Why? Because we know this thing, as temperature increases, surface tension decreases, and height of the liquid in capillary tube directly proportional to surface tension. तो जब surface tension decrease होगा तो height decrease होगी. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि कोल्ड वाटर से हॉट वाटर में वाटर की हाइट इन कैपिलरी ट्यूब वो कम होगी. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज ट्रू, बट स्टेटमेंट 2 में उल्टा दिया हुआ है कि फर्स्ट इन कोल्ड वाटर एंड देन इन हॉट वाटर द हाइट इन कैपिलरी राइजेस विल बी स्मॉलर इन कोल्ड वाटर दिया है, लेकिन ये गलत है क्योंकि एज टेम्परेचर डिक्रीजेस सरफेस टेंशन इंक्रीजेस, तो हाइट इंक्रीज होती है. सो एज पर गिवन ऑप्शंस, statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. That is given to you in option number 4. So our answer is 4. Clear to all of you?